Hello students, how are you? Today's lesson is about conjunctions, so let's have a look at three words: but, and, because. Please follow me on every slide. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and click the like button. Thank you so much. So let's go. Okay, conjunctions. When do we use but? Examples: when one side is positive, the other side is negative. Yes or no to join two sentences together. Okay, but. So let's read the sentences on the left side, and you can see one sentence is a positive one and the one sentence is a negative one. I like green apples. I don't like red apples. I go to college on Mondays. I don't go to college on Fridays. I drink tea in the morning. I don't drink coffee. I do shopping on Sundays. I don't do shopping on Mondays. Now, let's have a look on the right side and we can join the sentences. I like green apples, but I don't like red apples. I go to college on Mondays, but I don't go to college on Fridays. I drink tea in the mornings, but I don't drink coffee. I do shopping on Sundays, but I don't do shopping on Mondays. Let's follow some more examples on the next slide then. Some more examples for you. On the left side, I live in the UK. My family lives in the USA. We can say, I live in the UK, but my family lives in the USA. Again, on the left, I can drive. I don't have a car. I can drive, but I don't have a car. I like hot weather. I don't like cold weather. I like hot weather, but I don't like cold weather. So again, you can see we can join the sentences. One is positive and one is negative, and use the conjunction but. Follow me on the next slide. This one is and. How to use and. When do we use and? When both sides are positive or negative, and to join the sentences together. So let's see at the examples then. On the left side, you can see some sentences and some illustrations. So we use and these examples are both in a positive form. I like green apples. I like red apples. So we can say, I like green apples and I like red apples. I go to college on Mondays. I go to college on Fridays. So we can say, I go to college on Mondays and I go to college on Fridays. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink tea and I drink coffee. I do shopping on Sundays. I do shopping on Mondays. I do shopping on Sundays and I do shopping on Mondays. So you can see we can join the sentences together and use the word and. Keep following me, please, on the next slides. Now we can use and, but in a negative form. I don't like green apples. I don't like red apples. So we can say, I don't like green apples and I don't like red apples. I don't drink tea. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink tea and I don't drink coffee. Okay, so both are negative. Next one. The last conjunction we want to use is because. So when do we use because? When you have a reason to do something or not to do something. So follow me on the examples. Because I can't come today because I am sick. I go to college because I want to learn English. I'm sorry, I am late because I missed the bus. I don't drink coffee because I don't like it. I can't come to your party because I'm on holiday. Don't smoke because it is not good for your health. Eat green vegetables because they are good for your health. I like supermarkets because I can buy everything. So lots and lots of examples how to use because. So let's have a look at the last slide. Well, the last slide, please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you so much. I hope it will help you. Keep practicing and well done. Bye-bye now.